Hello friends, in our last video we saw Gamada's regional plan for the city SAS Nagar, Mohali. So if we go towards the left of this Mohali city, we can see Kharad, which is the adjoining city. This light green area, this is representing the city of Kharad. Let's enlarge it. So we are seeing some yellow area here, this one. This yellow area is representing the commercial center. So it can be industries, it can be institutional area, it can be areas reserved for the markets. So there is a lot of area here also. In Mohali also we saw that there is a lot of commercial area in Mohali. In Kharad also we can see there is decent amount of area in Kharad also. Like if you see this is the total area of Kharad, and within this total area here this yellow area is representing the commercial centers. So we can say that 20% of the total area is commercial area in Kharad, so which is a decent amount, I guess. We are seeing lots of purple areas here, these purple areas also. These purple areas denote the villages, the area reserved for villages. So there are lots of small villages, but not that much area is covered by these villages also. More area is covered by the commercial centers in Kharad also, like we saw in Mohali. Here we are seeing some red lines here. This one. In Mohali we saw lots of red lines, like these ones. There were lots of red lines in Mohali. In Kharad also we are seeing some red lines. So these red lines are representing roads and highways. We are seeing here some one dotted brown colored line just passing through Kharad. This one. This dotted brown line is actually Gamada Expressway. This is the it hasn't been constructed yet, but will be constructed later on sometime. It has been proposed by Gamada. So this Gamada Expressway will be passing through Kharad, and it will ultimately be connecting Baddi in Himachal Pradesh with Haryana. Here we are seeing. Let me enlarge it, otherwise you will not be able to see it properly. There is a light brown line here. This one. This is the railway track. So this railway line is passing through Kharad. So we can say that we have got highways. We have in future Gamada Expressway will be constructed. We have got a railway line in Kharad. So in future we can say that Kharad is going to be having very good transportation facilities because of highways, Gamada Expressway, railway line. So it's good. There is a this dark blue line. This dark blue line is representing rivers, big river, some stream, floodplains. So it can provide good irrigation facilities to the farmers, and it will be beneficial to the people of Kharar, these rivers and streams. Here we are seeing this dark green color, lot of this, lot of area which is in dark green. There is lot of area in dark green color. It is having black lines in between. So what is it representing? It is representing green, or some recreational area, green area or recreational area that will be constructed later on. It hasn't been constructed yet, but has already been proposed by Kamada. This land has been booked by Kamada for those purposes. So what it means? It means some, it can be agricultural land. This area may be allotted to agricultural land. Um, some gardens may be constructed here. So this way it will be used.